Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Gmail. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Gmail password. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and go to accounts.google.com. Here, select your account. To reset your password, tap Forgot Password. You can now choose how you want to sign in. This step is to verify that it is your account. You can either tap Yes on your phone or tablet, or get a verification code on your email address or phone number. Select the one you prefer. I am going to select the first one. This will send a pop-up to your phone or tablet. So tap Yes to verify. Now create a new password and re-enter the password to confirm. When done, tap Save Password. And that's how you reset Gmail password. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.